Hey guys, Jamie So here. I am putting together the beef and broccoli recipe that is one of my family's favorites. I hope you like it too. I wanted to put a video together just so it made it a little bit easier to understand how to do it. I have a full description of where I got the recipe down below, so you can read up all on that. But anyway, I hope you like it. We love it. And if you make it, post it, tag me in it. I'd love to see you do it. All right, bye guys. Okay, so how you're gonna wanna do it is, if you'll notice that there are like lines in the meat, that's the grain. So we're gonna cut, when they say against the grain, it means cutting almost like perpendicular into the meat. Slices. Now, don't worry about it if it's really long. You can always just kind of cut it in half where you have smaller pieces. It's gonna sizzle.